In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Canon Pixma TS7650i. This can be useful if you're having some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi. So on the touchscreen, you're going to press on this settings wheel right here, and then select the second option down that says printer settings. After that, come to the bottom and tap on this arrow until you get to the bottom where it says reset settings. That's going to process. Just wait for it. Once that's complete, press this arrow again until you see this reset all button. Press it and then select yes. And that's going to reset the printer. And as we can see, it has reset everything. So just press OK. And if we come back, we can see that everything has reset back to default settings.